Okay, so good morning everyone. Let's move on to class. So last class we discussed about few Ansible models, right? So some basic models and how to work with how to play those. These all are ad hoc commands. Okay, and a single line command. Only one model I executed. Can you see my screen? Hello.
Yes, sir, visible,
Okay,
sir.
okay. Just give response otherwise, right? Right, what is ping model? So, what is ping model? So, mostly we are using Ansible -m. -m is nothing but model name and whatever model you want. So, these are the common syntax. So, Ansible -m and right, what is ping model and setup model, next copy model and also file model, command model, shell model. Next, what else? Setup, copy, file model, command model, shell model. Anything? Only you cover these things, right? Ping model, setup, copy model, file model, shell model, command model. Anything missing? So we discussed a few models, right? So these are the models I discussed. Now come to here, we'll see that continuation at work. Okay. Now, now file model already know, that is command model, shell model, setup model, file setup copy model, and we'll see few more models. So anyone, any doubt, guys? Hello? Clear this and all. So these all are the ad hoc commands. Ad hoc commands means single line command. Only we are executing one line, right? So only we are executing one line. So this is the Ansible. This is my Ansible master. This is Ansible server. And mostly we are executing like this, right? Ansible -m. And I want to check whether my instance is my host is connecting or not. Ping model name DevApps and model name is DevApps. Okay. Now see here. Anyway, my instance. Suppose if you want to add one more instance. So let me see. I am going to quickly add one more host mission. So what are the commands, guys? And how to see? As of now I am using only one. Just I am going to add one more host, one more client. Click on launch instance. So now I am going to execute two missions, how it will work. So that's it. Now Ansible client, client 2. Next, same RHCL Red Hat, remaining and all same only, no need to change. What is the key I am using here? Let me check. Key means DevApps key. I need to select that one. So I don't want to create new key. DevApps key. And remaining same only. No need to change anything. That's it. No need to change anything. Launch instance. Okay. Now, if you observe here, already I have one Ansible server. What is this? So I have one Ansible. This is our Ansible server. Now already I have one client machine, that is node host. Now I am going to add one more. So what are the steps? First we need to create the same steps. Create one user in mission. Next, just copy that SS key and paste it here. That's it. This is my Ansible server. So this is my Ansible server. Already here host file available. So already here host. So this is our host, right? This is our host. Under host already this host IP already added. This is the host one. This is the node one. all are same only. This is the node 1 and this is the node 2. Okay, so already added IP. So this IP already added. What is that IP? This IP. So this is the 84 already added in my host file. Otherwise it won't work, right? Correct? So this is my host IP. This is my host IP. Suppose if you want to add one more host, one more node, one more client. Now what I need to do? Someone is join. I need to add this IP also. Now we'll see how it will work. Right. Okay. Now see here. Now already here everything working fine. Now I need to connect. So already DevOps user I am connecting here, right? Here also what you need to do? We need to create the one user. What is the user name? Here I am using DevOps user, right? So here also I am connecting DevOps user. Just to create one common user, all missions, all instances. So I need to create one user here and I need to copy this copy public IP from where? Host or server? Copy public IP, copy public key from server and paste into client machine. Client. So where is the path? Dot ss folder, and create one file authorized
Authorized place.
authorized underscore keys under we need to paste it. That's it. Only we need to do this. How this machine is connecting via SSH. So here also just I need to copy and paste into here. Now see here my instance is ready. Now go to here. So click on here dashboard instances. So now this is the client 2, right? Click on this, connect. Now see here, apart from this no need to do anything, only so here it is following, so Ansible is following push mechanism, right? No need to install any client, no need to do any other things, just it is following push mechanism. Just we are connecting via SSH only, via SSH control plus plus. So first go to root user sudo hyphen I and create one user. So how to create and all already here I given some steps, right? Just follow same steps, no need to do. So add one user. So add one user. Now observe, add one user. That's it. Now go to here, add privileges to this particular file. Okay, that's it. Now so do I need to do these steps? Switch to user, generate SS key and all. Already I done, right? Yes or no? Server. So no need to execute all these things again. Now go to your mission. This is my host, right? First switch to that user. So come to here, sudo hyphen devops. Sorry, not sudo, switch, right? Switch user, su hyphen devops. Come to here. And we need to create one directory. So which directory we need to create? SSH directory. If already it is available, it is overwrite, no problem. Just copy and paste it. And so next we need to create one file, empty file. I am creating authorized underscore keys. Just created that file. And so next what else? We need to give the permission, right? User, I am giving full permission. So we need to copy, right? Now go to your server mission. This is the server, right? cd space slash etc slash ansible, not here. Where is ss file? cd space dot ssh, right? Under ssh cat space id underscore rsa, only public key. Don't copy private key. Copy this one, and before that come to here. What is the one step? And vi, we need to open that file. Already I created one file, right? So now see here, sudo vi, this is the sudo vi. So this is the file, just I'm opening, so for adding key, that's it. Now insert, copy this key from server, copy, don't copy extra characters and all, copy as it is, and go to here, just paste it. Okay, escape colon x, that's it. Now come to here, so come to here, now I am using now see here, now I am using Ansible -m ping, I am using DevOps. Now this mission is connecting or not? Anyone guess it? Now it will connect or not?
Not getting.
Connecting or not?
Not sir, not getting.
Not connecting. Why it is not connecting? So we need to add,
IP client not
we need to add, what we need to do? One step we missed. Correct?
IP will be
We need to add IP. See here ls vi sudo vi See, as of now it is connecting only one mission. Now sudo vi, what is this? Host file. So click on this, insert, and go down. We need to add, otherwise Ansible server is not identifying. Ansible server is not identifying. Now see here, 1972 dot, what is the IP of this second node? And so 172.128.47. Correct? 28, 20, 28, 28, and what is the IP? 47. Clear? Anything missing? So this is IP 172.31.28.47. That's it. We need to add. Okay. Escape colon x. Escape colon x. So now check it. Now Ansible -m ping and DevOps. Now it is connecting only one node or two nodes. Now it is checking. So only one or two. Now I configure how many nodes I added. Two, right? So now it is
true,
checking
sir.
two nodes only. So now what it is coming? Yes, sir. Now see here. Now see here. It is coming. So two nodes. Now this is the two clients. So this is one, and this is one. This is one. 47 also connected. 47 also connected. 47 also connected. So now everything working. So anyone any doubt, guys? So like this we can add. Now what is Ansible is a configuration management, right? So Ansible is a configuration management tool, and we can configure common task, repeated task in all missions only single at a time. For example, these are the two nodes, right? I want to do some operation two nodes, no need to connect go on. So from server I need to do some operation here, same. So for example, just assume, so yesterday, right? So here I am going to do one file. So if you go here and so ls command, this is the client, right? I don't have anything. Now I am going to create one file. I am going to, how to create file, guys? What is the module we can use? I want to create one file, Ansible -m, and
Fine.
so what is the model? File model -a. What is -a? -a,
Arguments.
arguments, model arguments. Okay, dest, destination, right? Destination equal to home slash dev apps slash I am giving I am giving file name, any file name. For example, I am giving so Jenkins or Docker. Just I am giving so docker.txt file. Just assume for understand. And state equal to, what is the state? State
Present.
present. First time, right? Present. That's it. Now if you observe here, so this is my client, and I have two nodes, right? These are the two clients. Here also I don't have any file. DevApps Jenkins docker.txt. we don't have, right? So here also we don't have. Now this is a common task, right? So just assume. So like this in real time we have many client machines. So the IT operation and we have to as a DevOps engineer, they want to do some common task, repetitive task in all machines at a time. And how I can do, now I need to do one configuration file or I want to copy one file from server to all my host machine. Just assume how it will work. So how simple, just come to here and so click on, that's it. What is what missing? Some actions do not make sense in ad hoc commands. These are the ad hoc commands, right? So these are the ad hoc commands. Here we missed something. What missed? Anyone? Ansible hyphen m. We missed something. Anyone? So what we missed? We missed group name. Got it? DevOps, right? What is our group name? Which missions you want to do this operation, right? అర్థమైందా?
It's a dog.
So now click on this. What happens? Read that error message. Value of state must be one of absent directory touch, right? There is no present, so not. So if you go, actually there is absent available, directory available, file is available, hard link, soft link, touch is available. But here I passed, the value of state must be one of. Just read the error, we can understand. So actual here I am passing. What is the state I passed? Present. Really, do we have that argument state present? If you want to, we can go and check here also. If you want to go and check here also. File model in Ansible. If you click on file in Ansible model and go to state. Go to state. Where is the state? So here this is the state. Under the state we need to pass only these things. But here I passed. Which I passed? Present. Do we have present here? Present ఉందా ఇక్కడ?
Yes, sir.
No. So we need to give touch command. Sorry, we need to give touch only. Or we can to give absent, directory, file, hard, link. So only we need to pass these things. Don't pass present. Okay. Now come to here. So that is the problem. See here it is saying value of state must be one of. Value of state must be one of only these things, not present అనేది లేదంట. So we need to give only change that name, that's it. This is the touch touch. I hope you got it right. అర్థమైందా? Anyone any doubt here? So like this we are getting errors. So now based on that errors, just update the command. So this is a which command? Ad hoc commands only. This is the single line command. Some actions do not make sense in ad hoc. See ADHOC ad hoc commands only. So that is nothing but single line command. In interview also, so one or two people asked what is Ansible ad hoc commands means. Ad hoc means single line command execution. Single line command execution. Okay, only one line, only one model we can use it. So can you use multiple models here? For example, I need to create file, I need to copy file. Is it possible here? No. So blindly remember, so these are the single line commands. Okay, these are the ad hoc commands. This is nothing but ad hoc. Just note it. Okay, only we can execute one model, only single line commands. Now that's it. Now see here, changed. Now how many missions it is created same file? Now I have two clients, right? So in two clients only created, in two clients it is creating. What is the file name? docker.txt. Now we can check it here. Anyone see here, docker.txt file is available or not? So here also this is my client 2, right? So ls docker dot, earlier it is not there. Got it? Now we can see docker.txt file. I hope you got it right. So now how simple, with the help of Ansible what we can do, now we got some idea. So this is the purpose. This is the like. So that is the reason. Ansible is a configuration management tool. Ansible is a configuration management tool, and so with the help of we can automate engine that automates software provisioning. I want to do some softwares. Just assume these are the two missions. Software provisioning. I want to install two missions Git software. Git. Right? Everyone know what is Git software and how it will work. I want to install Git software in two machines. This is the software, right? So like this, just assume I have 50 machines. I have 10 machines. In all 10 machines, so they need to install the Git software. So now this is the two clients, right? So they are coming, they are installing earlier one machine. Now how simple I am going to install? Just take it. Okay. Now got it. So this is the first point. See here, software provisioning. So we want to install some softwares in all machines. 100 machines, 50 machines, 500 machines, 1000 machines. Only one shot we can install all software provisioning, and also configuration management, and also application deployment. Whatever you want we can do. See, automate repetitive installations, and so configuration of softwares, and do it reliably, build a reusable library of automation, whatever you want. So manage infrastructure, whether it is on premises or in the cloud. So your infrastructure is versionable or repeatable or testable, whatever you want. With the help of Ansible we can do it. Now we can see here, right, software provisioning. So I want to install softwares in both two machines. So first we will see ada commands, next we will go for playbook. Now so if you want to install any software, if you want to install any package in Linux, what is the command, guys? If you want to install any software,
So,
what is the command in Linux? Same Linux commands only. What is the command? Hmm? Inpila.
instance.
M, right? So now same also. Here also there is one model. M model in Ansible. M model in Ansible. If we click on this M model, now see here manages packages with the M package manager. So if you want to install anything, and so this is the M is one model, and so these are the arguments we can pass it whatever you want. That is based on your, see here many arguments we can install, list string we can use. See here, these are the true false. Anyone join? Okay. So these are the models. Okay. So M is the one model, and so with the help of so we can install. See here absent. Now this is the string state. I need to pass state, right? Mostly I am giving state. See here state. Now here we can use absent, installed, latest, present, removed. Now we can understand whether to install present or, sorry, if you want to install any software we can use present, or we can use installed, or we can use latest. But this keyword, this is not available in file model. File is only touch. Okay. So now I am going to use the same thing only. Okay. Now go to here. So these are the, already they given some example and all. We can use like this also. See here, this is the playbook. Right now we don't have it. Now anyway, I will start the playbook also today. We can understand. Now try. So before that, first check Git is available or not. Git is not available. So this is my one client mission, right? 84. Now go to here. Here also, Git software is available or not. Right? See version also we can check it. I don't have Git software here, and go to here. I don't have Git software here. Git hyphen version. Now, so first point is software provisioning. So software means in all missions I want to install Git software. This two right now I have only two clients, right? So in both mission I need to install Git software. So one mission we can connect, we can install. That is one way. That is a manual process, right? And why we should go for Ansible? Now with the Ansible, so common task, right? This is the common only. So one software I need to install in all missions. That's it. Now there is a one module available. What is that module name? M module, and how to install. Now anyone previous batch. See here Ansible -m, and what is the module name?
M.
DevApps, group name DevApps -m, model name is M, and -a. What is -a? Module arguments. Now tell
Argument.
me, name equal to what is the software?
Git.
Git, and
State is
state equal
install.
to, here just now we discussed, right? So if you want to install any software, and what is this, here we need to use state equal to, so we need to use these things. What is that and all?
Install the latest.
Where is that? Just now, see, we can use, if you want to install, we can use present, we can install, we can use latest also. Now I am using present. So now I am using present. present, present. That's it. Anything missing here? So this is the ADA commands, right? Ansible, DevApps. This is my group name, -m, and M is the module name. Here, what is the M? M is the module name. If we know Linux very well, we can easily play with Ansible also. If you know Linux very well, we can easily play with Ansible also. -a, module arguments, name equal to Git. This is the package name, and state equal to present. That's it. Okay, run it. Now, see error. This command has to be run under the root user. So actually, right? So to install this software, this particular DevOps user don't have permission, don't have so that permission. Now we need to add permission. So for that, we need to add one more argument, -b. -b means become. -b means become. Like so, it will give like root access. I will show you that and all. Now execute it. What it is missing? Action do not make sense in ADAC include metadata. Anything missing, guys? Now see here, -b become. Okay, this is okay. -a, what is -a? Argument models. Argument models. Now we are using -m. -m means right? -m means model name. Model name. Here it is throwing some error. Anyone guess it? Anything missing? Some actions do not make sense. దానికి అర్థం కాలేదంట. Add include metadata. What is the command? So anything m model name equal to get name or anything here. Let me check it here. Already here available. Alt F name equal to get.
Find the command we must -i.
Hmm?
Ansible-i file name.
Correct on right command. Ansible hyphen Ansible -m. Ansible -m. Correct only, right? Model name.
So Ansible-i.
And see spelling error. Ekkada?
No, sir. Actually, given command is Ansible-i DevOps-b.
-i DevApps.
Yes.
I ఎందుకే?
We need to check it once.
I ఆల్రెడీ ఉంది. ఆల్రెడీ మనం ఫైల్ నేమ్ ఒక స్పెసిఫిక్ ఫైల్ నేమ్ అయితే ఓకే. సో DevApps. What is this? B only, right? I added extra only B only. B means become only, right? -b. Just I given only permission I added. Anyway, it is installing. Just First we need to give permission, next we need to add arguments. So only we need to change first B. After B become so it won't allow. So first use root permission, next execute that arguments. Clear? I and all no need. So here what command I executed? See here, earlier I given hyphen a hyphen b. So first I need to provide permission, then we need to give arguments. Correct? So that is the problem here. Now got it? అర్థమైందా?
Yes.
చేశాక
Yes, sir.
hyphen b
Yes,
is
sir.
nothing but just only permissions. Just we are providing a become means root permission, like it is acting like root app. Now see here, state, check the status. So changed, right? Changed equal to true. Result, it done something. Okay, leave it. I hope everyone know what is happening. Now go to here, check it these missions. Now earlier so git hyphen hyphen version. Now see here, git space hyphen hyphen version. Earlier it is a command not found, right? Now you can see git version 2.43. Now same way go to another client also. See here, git hyphen hyphen version. Got it? I hope you got some idea, right? So what is the use? Why you go for Ansible? Okay. So these things and all we can do software provisioning, and also we are going to do some configuration. See here, automate software provisioning. Whatever softwares you want, so directly I can execute from server. No need to go your client machines. So from here only I can execute whatever you want, everything. So here I have the 100 clients, right? 100 nodes. So if you want to install 100 nodes Git software, so old days every machine they are connecting, every machine connecting they are installing. Now see here Ansible, with the help of Ansible, only one command we can execute all missions, all clients at a time. I hope you got it right. So anyone any doubt here? So like this, this all are the, so as of now I executed only ada commands. All are the ada commands means this is the single line commands. Only one model I am executing. Now there is one more powerful concept available, that is playbook. That is a playbook. In interview also most of the people they are asking what is playbook? What is playbook? Now try to understand. So what is playbook? Playbook is nothing but so if you want to run multiple models, now we should go for Ansible playbook. That's it. PLAY playbook. Playbook somewhere. I hope this already you got right. So what is the here? The main concept of Ansible are playbooks, configuration management and all. Go down somewhere, features. There is one concept is that playbook. See here, playbooks. What is playbook? Playbooks are simple code files which describes the task that need to be executed. So this is like a YML format. I hope everyone know what is YML. In Kubernetes also mostly we are using YML format, right? And so they can be used to automate task and declare configuration and all whatever you want we can do it. So here also this is also one right models. This is also Ansible script, that is YML scripts, and with the help of with the help of I am going to write multiple. Yes, where is this list of inventory file? Ansible playbook force. Four models, extra one. Ansible playbook. What is the page number here? 56. Page number 56. Now see here, Ansible playbook. Now, so some command, some models, right? So in Ansible, some models. Now we know what is model. Now we know M model. Now we know M model. Now Ansible ping model, setup model, copy model, file model, command model, shell model. Now with the help of these models, as of now I executed only one model, correct? So but real time we are not going to use only one model, right? So real time mostly we are using multiple models we are going to execute. So that case, so see here there is one more concept, Ansible playbook. Ansible playbook. Playbook is nothing but so we can execute multiple models at a time. That's it. Very simple. If anyone is asking what is Ansible playbook, Ansible playbook is this is the YML file and which is set of plays. So it is set of models and the play is specific task. In the playbook we can add multiple models. It uses so this is the user bin Ansible playbook command to execute the playbook. Ansible playbook are a way of send commands to remote computers script anyway. Same only, working nature is same only. So now if you execute any command here, right, so this command will be executed in two missions, right? Same way, if we run playbook in our server, that playbook can be run in two missions, two client missions. We'll see. Now see here, and Ansible playbook are written in YML format only. And if you don't know what data selection are, now come to here. So these are the so these are the these are the playbook structure. Playbook structure. Now see here, this is the playbook. This is play one. We can add one task. This is another play. We can add one task. This is a one more play. We can. So these are the models, and this is the target environment where you want to execute. So this is see here where this is the target environments which machine you want to execute. So that and all we are going to configure. Remaining story same only. Remaining story see here, and what is ad hoc commands and playbook. Ansible can be used either ad hoc commands or playbook mode. So ad hoc commands means this is the single line command, single line single model execution only. Ad hoc modes allow direct management of your host by executing the single line commands. And so Ansible model, but each playbook contains one or more plays, one or more models that help to perform functions in different host machines. That's it. So this is definition is very simple. Definition is very simple. What is playbook? So playbook is nothing but it contains one. What contains more models or more plays to execute our task. Okay. Now if you go to your playbook section, so these are the playbook. If you want to write playbook, so these are the playbooks divided four sections: target section, variable section, and task section, handler section. These are very, very important. Okay, if you want to write playbook, if you want to write any playbook, so what are the sections? Playbook has four sections: target section, variable section, task section, handler section. Got it, guys? So anyone any doubt here? So what is playbook? Why you should go for playbook? Playbook is nothing but it contain more. As of now, you executed only one model. Now I want to execute two models or three models or 10 models or more plays. So that case we should go for playbook. That case we should go for playbook. Okay. Now these are the target section, variable section, task section, handler sections. Now see what is target. Now if you go here, so now I executed this command, right? Now I executed this command. So this command I am going to write in the playbook. How it will work when, so you can easily understand. Now see here. So target section means this section we have defined host where you want to define. Now if you go here which is the host, so this is the group, right? This is the target section. Here this is the target section. Host group and all mentioned here, right? This is the target section. And variable section, right now I didn't use any variable. In this section we are going to define variables. So for example, a equal to 10, b equal to 100. So if you want to name equal to some of, I need to pass some variables. So that and all we can declare under the variable section. And task section, this is very, very important. So task section, so in this section we can list of all models we can define here. Now here what is the model, guys? Here what is the model name? M model, right? So this is the host, this is the host, this is the model name. And under this model we can add multiple. See here, this section will list of all models, whatever models you want. So that and all we are going to add under the task section. And handler section, handlers are the Ansible place. This can be executed only when something is notifying. So if something is notifying, this is a handler. Handler means so if anything, for example, you have a Tomcat server, we have a WebLogic server, we have JBoss server, some server, right? So just assume this is a server. So in server means we have many configuration files, right? Just try to understand. So server means we have many configuration files, correct? Configuration files. For example, you added one user, just Tomcat. Tomcat you added one user. Now, if you add one user, directly it will work or we need to restart the server. For example, you change the port number. Okay. Now I changed the port number. Changed the port number. Directly it will work or we need to restart? Anyone? Okay. These are the
We need to
configuration
restart.
file, right? If we touch any configuration file, so mostly we need to restart. Otherwise that affects it won't work. Got it? Now there is one concept here, Ansible. This is the handler. Handler means if any changes happening in your configuration file, automatically I want to restart my server. See here, so that and all we are handling in the here. So generally here four sections, right? One is target section. One is target section. Next, second one is variable section. Next, third one is, what is third one? So what is third one?
Tasks,
Task section. This is very, very
task,
important.
task.
Task section. Task section. Now fourth one is handler. Okay. Now these now here mandatory. So now if you want to write any playbook, so do I need to write all? Do I need to add all these things in our playbook? No. So if you want to write playbook, this is mandatory. Target section is mandatory. Task section is mandatory. Remaining this is the optional. Variable section and handler section is the optional. If you want to, we can add it. If you don't want, leave it. So, but which sections is mandatory? Target section is mandatory. Task section also mandatory. Now just assume here, for example, here I didn't mention this module name. Is it work? Work అవుతుందా? Without module name, this
Not
command
working.
will work? No. For example, I missed this target section where you want to install, which mission you want to install, execute. Suppose if I remove this one, is it work? No, right?
No.
So these are the mandatory. Which are the mandatory? Target section and target section and task section is
Task.
mandatory. Remaining is optional. Optional means that is based on your wish. If you need, we can add, else leave it. So these are the optional. So handler section is optional and variable section is optional. Based on our requirement, we can add. If you want to, we can add it. If you want to, we can add it. That's it. If you want to, we can add it. Now, so I hope you got some idea. So what is playbook? Playbook means it contain more plays, more modules. And if you want to perform, if you want to execute different host missions, that's we could go for a playbook. Playbook has four sections: target section, variable section, task section, handler section. Target and task is the mandatory. Variable section and handler section is optional. If you want to, we can add or else leave it. That's it. Now go to here. Now, so everything available here, already I explained clearly that and all. Now see here, simply how to write, so how to write one playbook, how to write one playbook, how to write one playbook. Now, if you want to write any playbook, so we can follow some YML format, syntax, right? So I hope in indentation, mostly we need to follow indentation. Indentation means we are following some, right, rules and regulations. That is, right, spaces, how it will work and all. We need to do something. So that and all we need to follow. That and all we need to follow. So now see here, as of now we discussed only ADA commands, right? Now I am going to write one playbook. First we need to create one YML file. Right, in the Kubernetes, how we are creating YML file? Same format I am going to write YML format. Now leave this one. Now I am going to create one YML file. So Ansible also we are following YML format only. Whatever we want we can do it. Vi sudo vi. I am using one file. For example, test.yml. We can give any name. File name should be any name, but extension name should be YAML or YML. Same like Kubernetes, KTS. How we are creating manifest file. Same format. Here also we need to follow YAML. Okay. Now insert. Now once you open the file, we need to 4 sections, right? What are the sections? Host section, variable section, task section, handler section. And so these are the, so just if first of, if you don't know anything, just Google it, or we can get some idea, just copy and paste it. Now see here, host become task, like this we need to add it. Now so now here we need to follow same. For example, you are the new to Ansible, right? If even if you go here, they are giving many example. Now see here how they are following, how they are following. These are the models name, these are the task section, these all are the task only. How to add, see here name. So how we can write it means, see they added many tasks. And so or else we can try it. So sample Ansible playbook example. If you type means playbook example, and they are giving so example also. See here, so this is the same, this is the same. Now we can copy and paste it, or else we can do it. Now same way I am also following same thing only. Now we know, right? What is this, guys? Dot dot dot. Playbook start here and playbook
Ending with the
end
so,
here.
yes.
Now so under this I am going to write host host colon, whatever you want we can add it. What is my group name? Host means that is my group name or IP address or anything. Now what is my group name?
DevOps.
DevApps. Okay, DevApps. And we need to follow indentation also. And we am giving so b, right? Hyphen b means become, right? Here there is a, we need to use like this, b means become equal to s. Now got it? So now I am giving execute this script. I am using same, we can check it any example, we can easily understand. So this is very simple only, no need to worry. And see here, where is that Ansible playbook, right? Not this one. See here host, and we can add, if you want to we can add a name also, update the web servers, we can whatever that is, remote underscore users root, which user you want to execute and all we can. Now we need to add task section, we need to add a task section. So task, under task. So I am going to create one file, or what we need to, anyway I am going to install uninstall the software. See here same, already everything I noted here, just to follow for understanding purpose, we can easily understand. Okay. Now so what is this name? Now I am here, right? This is the task section, and hyphen space name, and we can give any name. For example, I want to install. Okay. So install install get software, whatever you want, git software. Okay. Now this is the model name. So which model I used, guys? If you want to install, what is the model name?
M modules.
M model, M model colon. Next, so here I passed two arguments, right? Two arguments, one is name and one is state, correct? One is name, one is state.
Yes.
Same way we need to pass like this, is one is state, one is name. Name equal to, what is the name I given,
Gits.
and what is the state?
Present.
State equal to present, that's it. Now see here, so this all lines equal to this line, this command only, this all lines equal to this command. I use one command, right? So Ansible hyphen m hyphen m y-u-m-m, and I given DevOps, I given hyphen b, I given hyphen a, and git equal to, name equal to git, and state equal to present. Both are same only, both are same only. Now this is the which command, sir? What is this command?
Adaha command.
Very. This is the ada commands, but this is the playbook. Now we are going to write playbook. If you want to write the same command through playbook means this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Hash means right? What is hash?
Commenting.
Hmm,
Comment that line.
that's it. We can add anywhere. Just whatever your understanding purpose. If you want this and all, your optional only. Whatever you want, we can add it. Now, so this both are equal. Now, if you want to single model means it is. Suppose I want to add one more model. Is it possible here? I need create file also. I want to create file also. Is it possible?
No,
No, right? But here is this is the task section, right? Under task section, this is the one model. So like this, we can add one more model also. Now go to here. For example, I need to add one more model. I need to add one more model name. Okay, create a file. If you want to create file, what is the model name?
touch.
Model name.
Touch.
Model
File,
name.
sir.
File model. Next, destination. Where you want to create. Hmm?
As home DevOps.
Whatever you want, abc.txt. Txt. And what is the state?
Touch.
That's it. Now see here. So like this in our playbook, what is playbook? Playbook is nothing but so multiple place, right? Multiple task, multiple models. Whatever you want, we can add it. So now finally we are going to execute this model only. Finally we are going to execute this playbook only. Finally we are going to execute this playbook only. Now leave this and all. First we need to write both are working or not. Just check it. Okay. So like this we can add. Anyway, next classes and all we'll see mostly playbook one, right? We will understand. Now see here host DevOps become S task. So this is the mandatory. Here I declare any variable section. Here I declare any handler section. No, that two are optional. That two are optional. Now see here, if you want to, we can declare vars vars package name equal to something. Now see here, this is a host. I given host web services, and whatever you want, we can become yes. Which user you want to execute, how we are connecting. These are the extra. Now this is the task section. Under the task, we can add whatever you want. Under the task, whatever you want. Now this is the handler section. Did I add any handler section here? No. Simply this is the optional, guys. These are the optional. If you want to, we can add it or else leave it. Now which is the mandatory if you want to run your playbook. If you interview also they will ask. So suppose so without task can I create playbook? Can I run playbook? Without
No, sir.
without task. Without task. No, it is not possible. It won't work. Okay, just remember. Okay, now see here Ansible and all. Now everything I done, everything I done. I created become and all whatever you want. That is your wish. Whatever you want. So that is your wish. And so now how to run? So how to run? So this is a playbook, right? If you want to run playbook, this is the syntax. This is the syntax. Play Ansible hyphen play playbook space file name. And if you want to check dry run, right? In what is this? In Helm also we are running dry run, correct? So why you are using dry run hyphen dry run? Same scenario here also. If you want to check syntax and all, hyphen check syntax hyphen syntax hyphen check. Anyway, first I am running this one. Okay. So now come to here. Now playbook is ready. If playbook is ready, just escape colon save. Now how to run playbook? See here cat space test cat space test dot yml test dot yml, right? Yml. Now see here, this is my playbook. Now my playbook is ready. Now how to run my playbook? Ansible hyphen play playbook space. What is the file name? Test.yml. And if you want to check syntax, hyphen syn syntax hyphen check. I want to check I have any errors or not. So this is the syntax. We can use hyphen syntax hyphen check. If you want to check it, we can check it. If we have any error, it will throw. Something is missing. What is the missing? Tell me. Error appears be in the etc ansible test.yml line number column but may elsewhere in the file depends on the exact syntax problem. Where is the problem? Task tasks colon task name install git software. Here is the some problem. So now go to here sudo vi sudo vi sudo vi test.yml yml. Here is some problem. What is missing?
After tasks, we need to give one space.
Here
Yes, sir.
insert, right? Now see here, go to here, how they are maintaining. What is this? This is a model name, right? We need to give space. We need to give space. Okay. Now insert task hyphen name m. Okay. Now if you want to, we can follow 2 also or 1. Now got it. See here. Now so m equal to model name get and all. So already here I copied and paste. Here also we can check it. So how it will work? File model and we need to give space. File model we need to give space. File model we need to give. This is the become. So here nothing. Everything correct. Task. Okay. And this is a file model name and we need to give space. That's it. Okay. Now escape colon x. Escape colon x. Now check it. So Ansible hyphen playbook space file name space hyphen syntax. Now see here. Now playbook test.yml. If you get this message, what is the meaning?
Everything okay.
Everything working fine. There is no syntax errors. If you want to dry run, how it will look like means we can see like this. Hyphen dry run dry run hyphen what is this hyphen dry run. This is the dry run. So just we need to use only check. No need to use dry run all. Here syntax we need to follow only check and all. This is the dry run. Check means here dry run. Now see here how it will work means it is showing but it won't work. It is connecting two missions and it will be executing like this only. This is the dry run. But really it is executed. Execute
No.
అయిందా లేదా? No, right? Just
Yes.
checking how it will connect, how many missions it is going to execute. It is going to execute 2 missions, but anyway you are getting okay. Okay means green. Green means already Ansible following
Installed.
already installed. So that is the reason it is coming green. So for example, if you want to
Change equal to zeros.
see here change equal to 0, unreachable 0. Here also we can check it. See here change equal to 0, change equal to 0, change equal to 0. Okay. Now same thing. Let me what is this VI? Now I am going to use file model. See here create file, whatever you want, insert. So create a file in all. Okay. Client missions. Just understand purpose I am given. Instead of m I am giving file. Here what is this? dest destination. I want to create one file home slash devaps slash for example test playbook play play.txt. Just I am giving. So state equal to touch. Okay. Got it? అర్థమైందా? Now anyway that
Yes,
file
sir.
is not available, right? Escape అంటే మీకు చేంజ్ వస్తుందో లేదో చూడడానికి. Now check the first syntax. Ansible hyphen playbook file name test.yml hyphen check dry run hyphen check dry run. Now see here. Now here changed equal to 1. Changed equal to 1. So now this file is not available. This file is not available in two machines. This is the one client. This is the one client, and this is the one more client. So now see here changed equal to 1. Connection is done. Gathering fact is okay. So it is. Now task execution. And see here task creating a file in client machines. This is the task section. So it is going to connect two machines. Anyway, that file is not available. Now color also change. Now see here it is going to create one file. Here it is going to. Really it is created or not? Not created. Not, that is not available, right? Now see here, not available. Now I am going to run. Now I am going to run. So how to run? Remove the check. That's it. This is the syntax. So Ansible hyphen playbook space playbook name. That's it. Now see here, what is the host name? DevApps. And so task gathering fact. It is connecting two machines. Okay, already connected. Checking. Now see here changed one. Now go and check it here. ls command. Now got it.
Yes, sir, got it.
Okay. So like this, so we can write a playbook. So if you know that models and all, we can easily write your playbook. But here also YML format, and we need to follow some indentation and all. That's it.